Well, morning folks, and it's not such a lovely wonderful morning here. It's all overcast, it's been raining through the night, it was raining this morning, and it's very muggy. It's cooler, but it's muggy. I think it'll be about, I don't know, 23 or 24 out there at the minute, but we've all packed up, room's pretty much done now, cases are in the car, so we're just about to leave. Next stop is Toledo, and then we're going from there to, I think it's, I've been saying Milan, but I think it's like Milan or something like that. So we'll find out when we get there. I've been butchering Novi while I've been here because I think it's Novi, but hey ho, I'm Brit, what do we do? Butcher the languages. So yeah, how did everyone sleep last night?
Really well. Quite good.
Yeah, Beth?
Good.
Good. Ooh, spinning on a chair. Yeah, so I think the drive from here to the shopping mall, yeah, another bloody shopping mall, I know, is about an hour and 20 minutes-ish. And we have pinpointed a car park for us all to park in, because obviously Shug and Kaz will have their motorhome, so we'll have to make sure that they've got room for that. But yeah, I think that's it. There's not really much else to report since I was on last night. I had 3 beers before I went to my bed.
We enjoyed our crumble cookies.
Crumble cookies, I did enjoy mine. Mine was really, really salty. No nice. But then apparently I picked one with salt on it, and I didn't know that at the time.
Semi-sweet.
Semi-sweet, which means it's got more salt in it, apparently. Yeah. But I'm not going to moan, but I wouldn't have another one. But everyone else enjoyed theirs, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right, so I'm going to shoot away. Next time you see us, we will hopefully be in the mall. Maybe a stop in between, I don't know. So yeah, that's it really. Right, I'm going to go, and I shall see you all shortly. Right, we have arrived at yet another rally house. This is the one that Beth's seen her original bottle in, that decided not to get it, but then wanted it, and we've never seen it anywhere else. And apparently they're in here, so let's go and see. I'll hold this door for this lady and be polite. And she's got it.
She's got it. She's seen it outside.
Smile on her face. Happy with that?
Oh, bless her.
Right. So, I'll have a little look round, and then we'll get in the car and go to our proper destination. That was a successful shop. Managed to get myself a Wayne State jumper because, well, why wouldn't I? When my name's on a jumper, I'm going to do it. It might be a little bit vain, but hey ho, I'm nothing if not vain. We all got a couple of bits, well, me and Beth did. So, next stop is Ohio. I better unlock the car before I get shouted at for listening at the door getting round. I can't get the key out of my pocket, stop putting pressure on me. Right, yes, next stop is a new state of America. So that'll be 2 new states we've done so far this holiday. Right, we shall see you when we get to Ohio, baby. OH!
I-O!
Right, we've arrived in Ohio. That was a hell of a drive. That drive took us about an hour longer than it was supposed to. There was 2 accidents. Oh, hell of a drive. Rain's been a nightmare, but we made it. We're with Shug and Kaz, so we're just about to go into the mall and get some food because we're all fairly hungry. So yeah, that's them coming out, so I better go or they'll moan at me. Right.
Yeah, probably like a week ago when bits and everything you wanted.
Right, so now we've crossed the border. We're now getting Ohio State stuff. Shug is a massive Ohio State fan.
He hates Michigan.
Hates Michigan. Don't tell him I bought something from Michigan, because he'll never talk to me again. But yeah, because we've crossed the border, we're now getting all the. Oh shit! I thought that was a person sat there.
They're
Now
still
getting all the.
selling Michigan stuff.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you will get Michigan because we're just across the border, but further in we go. We've already bought something Ohio Statey.
I've not bought anything yet.
Not yet, but yeah, this is another Dick's Sporting Goods. We've got a rally house to go into yet, and I think there's a potential that we may be getting another baseball game. So if you want to see that one, remember to subscribe. Oh, Beth's throwing bits around in the shop. What are you looking at? I've yet to find my mate of Crocs.
I'll be
I
alright.
found them, but they've not got my size. It'll be fine. I'll get them. Found them on Amazon actually, so if I can't find them in the shops, I'll just order them on Amazon, and then I know I'm definitely getting them.
That was a mouthful.
It's such a big old Dick's Sporting Goods, this, isn't it? This is a big old Dick's. I wonder what's up the stairs. Footwear's located up the stairs and downstairs, it would appear. Right. You're fine.
Oh, look at the light.
Yeah, I'm recorded. He's happy he's in. Yeah, they're smart, aren't they? He's happy he's in a Ohio State one now. This is a bit more like
Look
it.
at that.
Hang on. That is bedazzled.
Look at that for the car. OHIO.
That is wicked. So the guy said that each state has different every rally house in each state stock different stuff. So Shug's been well looking forward to coming into here. I have as well, to be fair. I've got my eye on loads.
This is bad behaviour. Don't be stripping for the vlog.
For $30. I was tempted to get like
I quite like it.
There you go, that looks good.
That's alright. Get this one then. This mall's alright. It's not got a huge amount of shops. It's definitely not as big as the one we was at the other day, but we've got a bit of everything really. Loads of clothes shops, game shops, lots of eateries. Looks like we're a bit more expensive shops as well than what we were at. I'm going to go because it's fairly busy actually. So hopefully next time you see us we'll be at the hotel. It's says it's an hour and 20 minutes I think, or an hour and a half online, provided there's no more accidents, because that was a real pain. But Stephanie got herself some stuff from Aeropostale.
I spent a lot of money.
You did, so well, it's your money, not mine. So yeah, we'll see you when we get to the hotel. We made it to the hotel. It's actually a fairly pleasant drive, wasn't it?
lovely drive.
It was nice coming through that town with all the American flags. That was really smart. It was nice to not be on like the main.
We're used to interstates.
Yeah,
but
that was nice. So I'll give you a quick room tour. It's nothing special. This isn't one of the Davies Do's finest hotels. So it's the Days Inn by Wyndham in Milan, I think it's called. So as you come in the room, you've got a toilet and a bath and everything. There we go. So you've got a bath. a shower. Don't need to step out of the way. Then we got a 40-inch telly apparently, with a fridge that is dirty, and 2 double beds. They're not very big beds, but they look fairly comfortable.
They are.
Oh, they look softish. Yeah. And that's it. And a desk there. We don't have a wardrobe, but we do have a hefty old safe, so I might just put my pants in there so that they don't get stolen. Yeah, we've got 2 nights here, and I'm pleased it ain't more than that, because it isn't the finest hotel we've ever stayed in. But you know what? It fills a hole. It does what we need it to do. So yeah, we're sleeping here. We're out all day tomorrow, and that's our plan. Like all day we're out. So yeah, it'll be good. So we're just gonna get ourselves all unpacked. Well, not unpacked, just get ourselves settled. And then we'll be meeting up with Shug and Kaz and making a plan for the evening. I'm guessing it'll be food and beer is the intention, but let's see what happens. So we have driven about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, and yes, we have come to yet another bloody Walmart. Oh, what an excitement. All this way and we've come to a bloody Walmart. Hey? Can't escape the place. Yeah, she's getting hungry now.
I'm not hungry, I'm just hungry.
I'm getting hungry too. Not long and we'll be eating.
We're going to be
Not
here
long.
for hours.
Oh, look.
Can't take them anywhere.
Take me places, but not him and not us together.
We're in a place called Manny's Sports Tavern and Grill. It's just like a side of the road place. It looks really cool. So food's arrived.
I've got a Fiesta rice bowl, I think it's called, with chicken.
Shug went for the same. Kaz has gone for chicken nuggets. And our food's not arrived yet, but as soon as it does, I will sure to let you see it. I got a wrap. Beth got some chicken wings, she got fries on the way, and Becky went for some tacos. And that is the evening finished. The meal was very nice. Very pricey, I'm not going to deny that. For what the portions were, the meals were extremely pricey. But I enjoyed them. We've been over and had several beers with Shug and Kaz in the campsite. So yeah, that's about it really. I've lost my feet. I can't see them anywhere. All I've got is like stubs at the end of my legs. Don't know where my feet have gone. I am funny. Comment in the box below if you think I'm funny. Anyway, right. Because you know I'm really funny and awesome and all that stuff, we're going to sign off for the evening, but I'm going to tell you what our plan is for tomorrow. So our plans for tomorrow are, we're getting up early-ish. We are going into Cleveland, Ohio. OH!
Ayo!
Thank you. And we are going to see the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. We're going to see some, apparently they must like their roadside things, like they've got a big paddle board and like all sorts of different things. We're going to go and have a picture took with a few signs tomorrow. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, look around a few bits there. We're going to then come back here and we're going to, kids are going to have a swim, we're going to have a beverage, and then that's it. Right, so I'm going to go because I'm slightly inebriated and need to sleep this off. So, who's signing off with me tonight?
Stephanie, come just right behind you.
You signing off?
Yeah, I guess so.
Guess so, if I have to. Right, okay. Get in here, you. Right. So then, Stephaniesa, what are we going to ask all of our wonderful, fantastic, amazing, wonderful, awesome viewers to do?
Like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
That's right. Please leave a comment in the box below, and we'll see you on the next one.